Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very common problem that many Android users face: 4G not working on Android phone. If your phone is switches 2G or 3G, or your internet speed is very slow, even though you have 4G SIM and 4G package, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you some easy and working solutions step by step. So let's get started. Solution 1. Check internet mode settings. The most common reason is wrong network settings. Go to Settings app, then tap on SIM and Network Settings. Select your SIM. Now tap on Preferred Network Type. Make sure it's set to 4G, LTE or LTE only. If it's on 2G or 3G, your phone will never connect to 4G. Solution 2. Turn airplane mode on and off. Swipe down to open the control center. Turn airplane mode on. Wait for 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. This refreshes your network connections. Solution 3. Restart your phone. It sounds simple, but restarting fixes many network issues. Just restart your phone once and check if 4G starts working. Solution 4. Check APN settings. Wrong APN settings can also cause 4G issues. Go to Settings app. Tap on SIM and Network Settings. Select your SIM. Scroll down and tap on Access Point Names. Make sure your network's correct APN is selected. If you are not sure, you can reset APN to default or search your network APN on Google. Solution 5. Check if 4G is available in your area. Sometimes the problem is not your phone. 4G may not be available in your area or the signal could be weak. Try checking 4G in another location or ask someone using the same network. Solution 6. Check SIM card. Make sure your SIM card supports 4G. If your SIM is old, it might only support 2G or 3G. In that case, visit your network services center and upgrade your SIM to 4G. Solution 7. Update your phone software. Outdated software can also cause network problems. Go to Settings app. Scroll all the way down and tap on System. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, install it. Solution 8. Reset network settings. If nothing's worked, this is the last option. Go to Settings app. Scroll all the way down and tap on System. Tap Reset Phone option. Select Reset Network Settings. And again tap on Reset to confirm your action. Don't worry, this won't delete your data. It will only reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. And that's it for today's video. These were some easy and effective ways to fix 4G not working on Android phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Android tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.